students will be starting the next chapter, that is chapter number 12. That is a first chapter. In that we are dealing with can we share. Can we share is nothing but a division. Till now we are studying the multiplication. We are now going to studying the division. Division is nothing but the inverse of multiplication. Okay, what do you mean by division? Let we discuss. Division is splitting into equal parts at the group. Division is nothing but splitting into equal parts or group. We should split the numbers in such a way that it should be accommodated that equal parts. Let we go into the chapter. Now, how many in each group? Let we consider how many are there in the each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there?
5.
5. Totally how much you have? 10.
10.
There are 10 butterflies. How many are there?
10 butterflies.
They are in
Two
groups. They are two groups. So, there are 5 butterflies in each group. So, we are totally, you have here 10. We are make it into 2 groups. In the 2 groups, we are bifurcating to equally in number. 5 plus 5, you will be getting as an 10. So, they are 10 butterflies. They are in 2 groups. There are 5 butterflies in each group. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
They are dash caterpillar. See, students, you have to find out how many caterpillars are there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Once again, here also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 14, here 7, 21. So, they are how much caterpillars? They are 21 caterpillars. They are a dash in groups. So, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. So, how many groups you have? 3 groups. They are dash caterpillar in each group. So, in this one group, how many caterpillars are there? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, see here, you have in each group you have 7 caterpillar. So, totally how much you have? 21. How many caterpillars are there? 21 caterpillar. They are, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. So, you have 3 groups. They are in one caterpillar. How many caterpillar in one group? How many caterpillars are there? In one caterpillar, you have 7 caterpillar. In each group, we have 7 caterpillar. Next, we move to the next one. This is looking like a round. It is look like an orange. It is nothing but a laddu. There are dash laddus. So, we have to find the, let we count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, how many laddus are there? 12 laddus. How many laddus? 12 laddus. They are dash in groups. So, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have 4 groups. So, in each groups, how many laddus are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. So, in each group, we have 3 laddus. Understood? In each group, we have 3 laddus. Clear, student? This is about, see, why we are stressing means they are equally divided. They are equal. The number whatever you got, that is 12 in number, what you got, that number should be equally divided. So you have like this. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Here also. And here how many are there? 1 2 3 4. So 4 are in the 4 plates. In the 4 group we have equally divided. They are equally divided. So here also see, students, here that upper part, yeah, 3 groups are there. In the 3 groups, the caterpillars are divided into equally. They are dash. Caterpillar means 21. In how many groups are there? 3 groups. So all the groups have a 7 7 caterpillar. In division, they whatever you get. For example, you have a chocolate at home. You will be getting 10 chocolate. There are 5 members. First you distribute one chocolate to each other. So how many are remaining now? 5. So what happens? Once again you distribute one chocolate. So each person will be getting as in 2 chocolate. So for everything is equally divided. This is about your can we share the how can we share equally into each person about this page. Here, students, draw 18 stars. How many? 18 stars. Put them in the equal group. This is a cloud. Student, this is sky. This is a cloud. You have to draw the stars. How many stars are there? 18. That stars you have to put them into equally. So let we do it 2 2. So 2 plus 2 we got 4. Let we another 1 second we'll be moving to let we have 18. No, first we'll draw 5 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here also 1 2 3 4 5. So once again we'll be having a star here. Your 1 here 1 6 6 12. Next one more star. Your 7 7 14. One more star. 8 8 16. So one more star. So one more star will be getting as a 9 9. So we have totally 9 in the each group. So they'll be giving here 18. Put them into two equal groups. So we'll be putting 9 9 to each part. There are dash stars in each group means 9 stars in each group. Similarly, we have the same number but we have to enter into 3 equal parts. How many equal parts? 3 equal parts. We are distributing them into 3 equal parts. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we are putting them into 3 equal parts in such a way that, see here, let me put 6 6 6. So 18 we are considering the one part of the beat will represent as a 6. Similar will be taking as a 8 3. 3 how much are 8? 3 6 are 8. So we'll be putting as a 3 6 are 8. So we divide 18 divided by 3 we represent as an 6. Okay, student, this will be the other way of doing the sum. Okay, let we go to the next page. Next we have a share the grains. Mummy bird brings 12 grains. So mummy bird, what she has done? She has bought 12 grains. And how to distribute equally? We have to distribute to the babies. Okay, to the babies sparrow. That is how much equally we have to distribute. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. Mummy baby start by giving 1 grain to each baby. They started 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Next, the mummy baby gave 1 more grain to each baby. So she has left over the many. So she has given 1, 1, 1, 1. So let we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Till how much is there? How much she has? 12. 8 is given to her, to their babies. Now, then what? How much is left? 4 is left. That is 12 minus 8 will be 4. She puts 1 more grain to the each baby's mouth. So what she has, all grains are finished now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let we count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 grains can be divided among the 4 babies. Each baby has got 3 grains. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So each baby will be getting as a 3 game. This is very important, that 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. How we will be getting means 12 how much? 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are 12. So we will be getting as 3 as an answer. Clear?